There's a clever trick to improving how you chat with Copilot. Are you like me? Were you sitting by the clock, waiting for the ball to drop, just counting down the seconds until the new year began so you can finally change your ways? Become a better person, become more productive, set some proper resolutions, really turn things around. Don't answer that purely rhetorical. Hey, New Year's resolutions usually boil down to one major goal: saving time for what matters most. And there's a tool inside of Windows 11 that is all about being your time saver. Your personal assistant, your Copilot, is waiting right there on the desktop, ready to make you more productive. So, our first New Year's resolution: learn to use Copilot. And there's a clever trick to improving how you chat with Copilot. Just ask Copilot. Let me explain. Some folks think of assistants like Copilot the same way they think of a standard search engine. We had decades of training ourselves to search with simple phrases like top dishwasher under $1,000, and leave it at that. And if you use that kind of SEO optimized phrase with Copilot, well, you'll get results, but they'll be basic, surface level, just kind of so-so. Let's instead ask our personal assistant how to talk to our personal assistant. Let's see, my resolution this year: I want to become a better home cook, lighten the load for my long-suffering spouse. I could just ask, I want to learn 5 recipes that can be weeknight dinners for my family of 4, and Copilot would spit out 5 recipes. Let's instead drop that request in the middle of a starter prompt, a prompting prompt. That's right. Welcome to the world of prompt prompting. Hey Copilot, I want to learn 5 recipes that can be weeknight dinners for my family of 4. How should I ask you to help me with that? Give me a useful prompt. Let's see what Copilot produces. And it has spit back a prompt you can use anytime. It even gives me a disclaimer. A strong prompt for that kind of request has 2 things. It tells me the constraints and the format. And then the prompt is, hey Copilot, give me 5 weeknight dinner recipes for a family of 4. Each recipe should take under 40 minutes, use common ingredients, and include step-by-step instructions, a short shopping list, and at least 1 variation. Prioritize meals that reheat well for leftovers, didn't think of that, and avoid anything spicy. Present everything in a clean, skimmable format. Now let's actually see how this looks compared to just starting with give me 5 recipes. So there we go. We are using the prompt Copilot made. It is responding well to all of that information. It's got the shopping list, the ingredients, the steps. We've got creamy chicken and broccoli orzo. We've got sheet pan lemon herb salmon and potatoes. We've got the steps there and a shopping list of variations to use chicken thighs instead of salmon. Turkey taco rice bowls, mild. We got someone in the house who doesn't like spicy. And tomato tortellini skillet, and finally stir-fried beef and veggie noodles, also mild. So you can see the difference between that and the first attempt of just the basic prompt. And you can try that with anything. Prompt prompting. Refine your prompt using the tool, and then see the results. This is the best advice I can give to anyone trying to familiarize yourself with Copilot, trying to learn how to incorporate it into regular use, or just as an additional tool when you're trying to answer a tough question or plan something new or improve your productivity. Once you prompt Copilot enough, you'll start to see the patterns. Not only does the prompted prompt contain my original goal, 5 recipes, but it has other crucial elements. Expectations, like provide a shopping list or provide 1 variation for each recipe. Context, like possible allergens to avoid or the amount of cook time I'm going to have. And sources, like specific websites to check. And as you ask Copilot to help you write your prompts, you'll become better at seeing the missing gaps. Let's say I know my wife makes incredible chili and enchiladas and soups of all kinds, so excludes those types of recipes. My daughters are just going to be mad if it's not mom's chili, you know? Prompt prompting. Figure out what you want to ask, and then ask Copilot the best way to ask Copilot. If your New Year's resolution is to learn how to use a personal digital assistant, there's no faster way. And the joke's on you, my actual New Year's resolution was to fit the word prompt into a video at least 15 times. Ha-ha! For more tips and tricks on all things Microsoft, be sure to subscribe here to the Microsoft Expert Zone North America channel, and we will talk to you next time.